welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to set up my AeroGarden for the very first time in my life. This is my first AeroGarden. I am so excited to set it up and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. If this is your first time setting up an AeroGarden too, I kind of just wanted to take you through the process and show you my experience and teach you guys how, because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna read the directions, and if you don't feel like reading the directions, you could just watch this video. I specifically have the Harvest Elite 360 model. The first thing you need to do is take everything out of the AeroGarden box. You'll find the seed pod kit, the USB power plug, and the physical AeroGarden device. Wow, look at her! Once all of the plastic is removed from your AeroGarden, you're gonna open this little compartment and fill it with water. All the way up to the spot where it says fill to here. Nice. Then you're gonna unwrap your seed pod kit, which includes 6 pre-seeded pods, 6 grow domes, plant food, and a quick start guide. Now you're gonna go ahead and simply add these pods one by one, choosing where you want each specific pod. Now that all your pods are nice and tucked away in your AeroGarden, you're gonna take your liquid plant food, give it a good shake, and then add 2 capfuls to the water. Nice.
Very nice.
Next, take your USB power cord and plug it into the back of your AeroGarden and into the wall. Once your AeroGarden lights up, you're gonna tap that little plant on the right side and then tap again to see the little menu options. You can set your clock, start a garden, select your plant type, set lights on, test pump, change days, or go back. To start a garden, I know that you have to set your clock and choose your plant type. So I changed the time from 12 p.m. to 1:17 just by selecting the little plant and using the little arrows. Then I went down to plant select, went through the options of veggies, salads, herbs, 24-hour light, vacation mode, or go back. And then I went through just to select salads because I am growing salads. It confirmed that my salad garden has been set, and then it brought me back to the main menu. Just to make sure I was doing this right, I selected start a garden. It tells me that I can start a garden in 2 easy steps. Number 1, set the clock. I already did that, so I'm good. I could just tap the plant. The second step is selecting your plant type. I already have salads selected, so I just tap the plant again, and it says salad garden set. Now all I do is wait. The last thing that I did before stepping away from my AeroGarden, which is technically an optional step, but apparently helps with the growth, is that I added these little domes to the top, which will hopefully help with the growth and act like a little greenhouse for each of my plants. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more.